Imagine a world that grinds to a halt, where the conveniences of modern life vanish. This isn't a scene from a dystopian novel, it's what would happen without the silent hero of our daily lives: infrastructure. Infrastructure is the lifeline that keeps society's heart beating. It's the schools where knowledge blossoms, the roads and rails that connect us, and the water systems that sustain life. As our population burgeons, the demands on these systems soar, making their development and maintenance not just a priority, but a necessity. Electricity, the most crucial of infrastructures, illuminates our world and energizes our industries. Its absence would send us spiraling into darkness. Equally vital is water, often overlooked yet indispensable for drinking, hygiene, and nourishment. Ensuring these resources are reliable and clean is paramount for our survival and comfort. Transportation networks are the arteries of commerce and community, essential for reaching healthcare, education, and employment. And let's not forget sanitation, the guardian of public health, shielding us from disease and safeguarding our environment through waste management systems. In our interconnected age, communication infrastructure is the thread that weaves our social fabric, binding us across distances. Housing, too, stands as a cornerstone of civilization, offering more than shelter. It's a foundation for economic and social stability. Infrastructure is the silent force driving progress, touching every facet of life from the economy to individual well-being. It demands foresight, investment, and constant care to remain robust and adaptive. By championing the infrastructures we rely on every day, we forge a path to a thriving, resilient society.